Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. This is class 10th, subject science, and today's topic is food web. In the last chapter we have discussed food chain. Food chain is a sequence or list of living organisms in a community showing who eats whom. Who eats whom. A large number of food chains exist in an ecosystem in an ecosystem such as grassland, crop field, pond, or forest. These food chains which exist in an ecosystem, which exist in a community of living organisms in an ecosystem, these food chains, they are interconnected by species which occur in more than one species, in more than one food chain. This network of a large number of food chains existing in an ecosystem, this is called food web. Or we can say that the interconnected food chains operating in an ecosystem which establish a network of relationships between various species. This is called food web. In simple words, food web is a network of food chains operating in an ecosystem having some species which occur in more than one food chain. Then when you see food web, it has many intercrosses or linkages among the various species present in an ecosystem. Present in it. This means that various food chains in an ecosystem, they do not operate in isolation. Various food chains in an ecosystem do not operate in isolation, or they operate in the form of a network, of food chains. This network of food chains existing in an ecosystem, this is called food web. This is called food web. For example, we will show a picture of food web. Green plants, they are eaten by rabbit. It is eaten by hawk. This hawk is in turn eaten by snake. Grasshopper, frog, seed eating birds, mice. It is a food web. In this food web, many food chains exist. For example, plants are eaten by mice eaten by hawk. It is a food chain. This shows a network of food chains existing in an ecosystem having many common species of organisms. For example, plants are eaten by rabbits hawk. Plants are eaten by mice eaten hawk. Plants are grasshopper, frog is in turn by snake is by hawk. That means this shows a network of food chains showing some species which operate in more than one food chain. This is called food web. This is called food web. This is called food web. In this food web has start from plants, which is a producer, and it ends in the end gasa kathmus, it ends in the top corner or hawk. ठीक, that means agar shows in this food web many food chains, almost 5-6 food chains exist. food web. ठीक.